Your fast track to weight loss starts now. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited you're here today because we're diving into a topic that so many of you have asked about. Exercise is crucial for weight loss, not just for burning calories, but also for building strength, boosting metabolism, and feeling more energetic. We're going to focus on pure effectiveness and efficiency. Get ready, because in this video, I'm sharing my top 5 exercises to lose weight fast. These are tried and true methods that are fantastic for torching calories and improving your overall fitness. We'll break down each one, talk about the amazing benefits, and I'll give you tips on how to perform them correctly and safely. So grab your water bottle, maybe a notepad, and let's get ready to transform your fitness routine. Let's go! All right, kicking off our list at number 1 is high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. HIIT involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. It's incredibly effective for weight loss and boosting metabolism. You can do it anywhere, anytime, with or without equipment. HIIT is fantastic for breaking through weight loss plateaus and taking your fitness to the next level. You got this! Next up on our list of top exercises for fast weight loss is a true classic: running. Whether you're hitting the pavement outdoors, a treadmill at the gym, or a scenic trail, running is an incredibly effective and accessible way to burn calories and improve your overall health. It's been a go-to for weight loss for decades, and for very good reason. The primary reason running is so fantastic for weight loss is its ability to burn a significant number of calories. Beyond just calorie burn, running is a cardiovascular champion. It strengthens your heart, improves blood circulation, and increases your lung capacity. A strong cardiovascular system is not only vital for overall health and longevity, but also improves your endurance and stamina for other activities in your life. And let's not forget the amazing mental health benefits. Running is a fantastic stress reliever. That runner's high you hear about? It's real. Physical activity like running releases endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. One of the best things about running is its accessibility. All you really need is a good pair of running shoes. You don't need a fancy gym membership or expensive equipment to get started. Proper running form is key to running efficiently, and more importantly, preventing injuries. Try to maintain an upright posture, keeping your head up, shoulders relaxed, and core engaged. If you're new to running, it's crucial to start slow and gradually build up your endurance. The walk-run method is an excellent way to begin. For example, you could run for 1 minute, then walk for 2 minutes, and repeat this cycle for 20 to 30 minutes. As you get fitter, you can gradually increase the running intervals and decrease the walking intervals until you can run continuously. Once you're comfortable with a certain distance or duration, try to gradually increase it. You could aim to add a little more time to your runs each week, or perhaps increase your pace slightly. Staying motivated can sometimes be a challenge, so find what works for you. Creating an energizing playlist can make your runs more enjoyable. Running with a friend or joining a running group can provide accountability and camaraderie. Most importantly, always listen to your body. Rest days are just as important as run days, as they allow your muscles to recover and get stronger. Warming up before each run with some light cardio and dynamic stretches, and cooling down afterwards with static stretches, will also help keep you injury-free and feeling good. Running is a journey, so enjoy the process. 27. Chapter 3. Jump to it, skipping your way to a slimmer physique. Our third exercise for rapid weight loss might surprise you, but it's incredibly effective jumping rope. Yes, that simple playground activity is actually a powerhouse workout that can torch calories, improve your coordination, and give you a fantastic full-body workout. Jumping rope is a phenomenal calorie blaster. Because it engages so many muscle groups simultaneously and requires a lot of energy, you can burn a surprising number of calories in a relatively short amount of time. It's not just about cardio. Jumping rope is a fantastic full-body workout. Your leg muscles, calves, quads, and hamstrings are obviously working hard to propel you off the ground. But your core is also engaged to keep you stable and upright, and your shoulders, arms, and wrists are working to control the rope. Beyond the calorie burn and muscle toning, jumping rope significantly improves your coordination, agility, and balance. An often overlooked benefit of jumping rope is its positive impact on bone density. Choosing the right jump rope is important for a good experience. The length is key. When you stand on the middle of the rope with both feet, the handles should reach your armpits. Now let's talk about how to perform the basic 2-foot jump. Stand with your feet together, holding the rope handles lightly with a relaxed grip. Keep your elbows close to your sides and use your wrists and forearms to turn the rope, not your entire arms or shoulders. Jump just high enough to clear the rope, only an inch or two off the ground. Land softly on the balls of your feet, keeping your knees slightly bent to absorb the impact. Once you've mastered the basic jump, there are so many variations to keep things fun and challenging. You can try alternating feet as if you're running in place, doing high knees while jumping, single leg jumps for an extra balance challenge, or even crisscross arm movements. You can incorporate jumping rope into your fitness routine in several ways. It makes an excellent warm-up to get your heart rate up before a strength training session. You can use it as a standalone cardio workout, perhaps doing intervals like 1 minute of jumping followed by 30 seconds of rest, repeated for 15 to 20 minutes. Put on some music, focus on your rhythm, and have fun with it. This simple tool can truly transform your fitness and help you jump your way to your weight loss goals. Chapter 4. Cycle your way to success. Pedal towards a fitter, lighter you. Our fourth powerhouse exercise for shedding pounds fast is cycling. Whether you prefer the fresh air of outdoor riding or the convenience of an indoor stationary bike, cycling is a fantastic, low-impact way to burn calories, build strength, and boost your cardiovascular fitness. One of the major advantages of cycling, especially for those carrying extra weight or dealing with joint sensitivities, is that it's incredibly low impact. Unlike running or other high-impact activities, cycling puts minimal stress on your knees, ankles, and hips. Cycling is excellent for building strength and endurance, particularly in your lower body. Your quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, and calves all work hard as you pedal, leading to toned and stronger legs over time. You can also engage your core muscles to maintain balance and stability, especially when riding outdoors or standing up on the pedals during more intense efforts. Of course, a key factor for weight loss is calorie expenditure, and cycling can certainly deliver on that front. The beauty of cycling lies in its versatility. You can choose to explore the great outdoors, enjoying scenic routes and fresh air, which can be incredibly motivating and mentally refreshing. Alternatively, indoor cycling on a stationary bike offers convenience regardless of weather conditions and allows for very controlled, structured workouts. Many gyms offer energizing spin classes with motivating instructors and music, which can really push you to work harder. If you're cycling outdoors, safety should always be your top priority. Wear a helmet, use lights if riding in low-light conditions, and follow traffic rules. Indoor cycling, on the other hand, offers a very controlled environment. Proper bike setup is crucial for both comfort and efficiency, whether you're indoors or outdoors. Your saddle height should allow for a slight bend in your knee at the bottom of the pedal stroke. Handlebar reach should be comfortable, allowing for a relaxed upper body. Structuring your cycling workouts can help you maximize your results. Always start with a 5 to 10 minute warm-up of easy pedaling. You can then incorporate intervals, for example, 2 minutes of hard pedaling followed by 2 minutes of easy recovery, repeated several times. Or you might opt for a longer steady-state ride at a moderate intensity. To keep progressing and burning more calories, you'll want to vary your intensity. Staying engaged with your cycling routine is key to long-term success, so get pedaling. Chapter 5. Dive in and slim down. The amazing benefits of swimming. Swimming is a full-body workout that tones muscles, burns calories, and improves cardiovascular health. It's low impact, making it easy on your joints while providing resistance for muscle strength. Essential gear includes a swimsuit, goggles, and a swim cap. Get started at your local pool and enjoy the amazing benefits of swimming. Wow, that was a lot of information, but I hope you're feeling super motivated and inspired to try out these top 5 exercises for fast weight loss. Whether it's the intensity of HIIT, the classic endurance of running, the fun challenge of jumping rope, the smooth power of cycling, or the full-body engagement of swimming, there's something here for everyone. Remember, the best exercise for you is the one you enjoy and can stick with consistently. So pick 1 or 2 that resonate with you. Start slowly and build up from there. If you found this video helpful and you're ready to continue your fitness journey with more tips, workouts, and motivation, please make sure to hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep creating content that you love. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments below. Which of these exercises are you most excited to try, or what are your favorite ways to stay active and shed pounds? Thank you so much for watching today, everyone. I truly appreciate you spending your time with me. You've got this. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye for now and keep shining.